In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on this BMW X5. There's two map sensors. One is located in the intake manifold and one is going to be in the tube before the throttle body. Procedure is going to be the same for both. Let's get into it. We're going to remove the engine cover. Just grab underneath, pull up and pull out. Now we're going to take this clamp off for this tube. There's some clips right here. Just want to pop these clips up with a straight blade screwdriver. Separate that, then just grab this pipe. You just want to lift it up. Oh, that should pull out just like that. Loosen up this clamp, just use a straight blade screwdriver. That's good. Then you want to separate that, pop that off right there. And we're going to grab the airbox. Pull it up. This is just grommets holding it down. There we go. And pull that out of the way. With the cover off, we're going to disconnect the connector. Just push down on the tab. Slide the connector off. There's two screws holding it in. We're going to use a T25 socket. Take these two screws out. Take those screws out, and grab the map sensor, and just wiggle it back and forth. You want to pull it straight up. Take the new map sensor. You can put a little O-ring lubricant or a thin coat of dielectric grease. Get that lined up. Push that in place. Put the screws in. Tighten down the screws. And snug those down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down. Now take the airbox, get this lined up in the tube, right there, and push it down. Get that settled in place, and tighten down the clamp. And just snug that down. And just take this tube, get that lined up, push that down, get the clamp in place, and just tighten down the clamp. If you need to, you can use some pliers, otherwise you just squeeze it. Clamp that in place. That's good. There's a couple of tabs that slide into the slots in the back for the cover. Those slide that in place, and then push it down, lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.